Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, I have explained about the appointment and removal of the judges. In today's lecture, I will explain the structure of judiciary and the jurisdiction of the Indian courts, different courts of different level. Structure of the judiciary. The Constitution of India provides for a single integrated judicial system. This means that unlike some other federal countries of the world, India does not have separate state courts. The structure of the judiciary in India is pyramidal, with the Supreme Court at the top, High Court below them, and district and subordinate courts at the lowest level, as you are looking on the diagram. Supreme Court, then High Court, then District Court, and after that, in the last, subordinate courts. The lower courts function under the direct superintendence of the higher courts. This is the structure of judiciary of India. And now we will study the works or functioning, or you can say the fields of different courts according to their functioning. According to the diagram or last slide, Supreme Court of India is on the top, and its fields or its works are its decision are binding on all courts. Whatever is decided by the Supreme Court, lower courts or below other courts must be follow all these instructions and decisions. And Supreme Court can transfer judges of high courts. Judges of the high courts can be transferred by the Supreme Court or CJI, Chief Justice of India. Next, Supreme Court can move cases from any court to itself. If any case is running in any lower court below the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court thinks it is a very important topic or a matter of very social awareness, so Supreme Court can bring that case in its jurisdiction, and Supreme Court can transfer cases from one high court to another if any case is running in any one high court of state. But if Supreme Court thoughts it is not properly doing or running by that court, that case can be transferred to another court by the Supreme Court. On the next level, after Supreme Court in India, the provision of High Court is mentioned in the Constitution. States have their High Courts, and the High Court is the topmost court in the state level. After High Court, there is one court, that is Supreme Court. Okay, now jurisdiction or fields of High Court are High Court can hear appeals from lower courts. All of you are familiar. If anybody is not satisfied with the decision, that person can appeal in any other court. So the lower courts people can appeal in the high courts. High Court can issue writs for restoring fundamental rights. All of you very well know, during the chapter of fundamental rights we have studied this. If anybody is not getting their fundamental rights, he or she can writs in the regarding their rights in the High Court and Supreme Court. Next, High Court can deal with cases within the jurisdiction of the states. All the matters of the states are solved or discussed or jurisdict by the High Court. Next, High Court exercises superintendence and control over courts below it. How many or whatever are courts working under the High Courts, and lower courts functioning must be supervised by High Court. On the third level, Indian judiciary system has a district courts at district level, and district courts deals with cases arising in the district. Whatever cases are problems or arise in the district, they go to district court. And district courts considers appeals on decisions given by lower courts. Lower courts decision was not considering by any people. In that case, people can go to district court, and district court decides cases involving serious criminal offences are also the jurisdiction of district court. And the lowermost level in Indian judiciary system, there is a subordinate courts, and subordinate courts consider cases of civil and criminal nature by their jurisdiction. Uh, I hope all the levels are clear to you. All courts of India work under the supervision and control of the Supreme Court. I hope all the points are clear to you. If you face any problem, you can ask. Thank you and have a nice day.